Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how the touch bar works on an Aura photo frame. This one here is the Carver model, but the same will apply to other models in the range. So the touch bar just takes up this little space from here to here. Now if we want to move the photos will move to whatever interval you've got them set to, like 15 minutes or 1 minute or 30 seconds, but we can physically do it by just swiping to the right and it will move across that way, and swiping to the left and it will move across that way. If we want to let the person know who sent the photo that we love it, they'll get a notification. For example, if your son or daughter or brother or sister has sent that particular photo, what you can do is double tap on the top here, and can you see a heart will come up? Yeah. If you just give it one little tap, like I did accidentally there, it will come up with the date the photo was taken and also who it was shared by. Again, you might have multiple people putting photos onto this device, and if it's a landscape photo, you might not know who sent it. So just by giving it a little tap, it will tell you the date it was taken and also who sent it. If we want to do other things like remove the photo, or turn the device off, or exclude the photo, we can also do it by the touch bar. So hold down the touch bar for a couple of seconds, it brings up this menu here. If we were to go to exclude, then we can tap that, and then we have to swipe to confirm. So get your finger from the very right and go right the way across to the left, and you can see now it's excluding that photo. It will still be on your app, it's just excluded it from this frame. It takes a few seconds to go through. And we can also turn the device off from this top bit as well. So again, hold it down. If you've made a mistake, you can just go to close and then it will close. But if you hold it down, then we can swipe there, swipe again, and then we can tap on off. And again, we can swipe and the frame will turn itself off. You can see now it's going down. When the frame's off, we can just tap the top bar again to turn it back on. So you can see it's fully off now, so all we have to do is tap the top and then it will wake itself back up again. There you go, waking up your frame. So there we have it, that's how you use a little touch bar at the top of your Aura frame. Hope this video has helped you out. Thanks for watching.